I'm going to have to shut down my business. I haven't had a sale in months. This is the grim reality for many small business owners, but it doesn't have to be this way. The simple marketing strategy that I'm about to show you will ensure you have all the necessary things in place to make sure this will never happen to you. Let's go through the 4 steps. Let's go. Phase 1. It's all about working out exactly who your customer is. Like, what is their favourite colours, their favourite sport, their favourite everything. Use those words in your social media and in their language. In many saturated niches, you need to create that brand that stands out. And I don't mean like neon and flashing. Just use the colours that your customers like, the fonts that speak to them. They will feel drawn to you. When you think about branding, think everything that your potential customer encounters. Something that screams, this is your business, on every post, reel, website, email, and look, everything else. After all, don't forget it is all about your customer. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm out here, I just don't want to do another boring in your office training video, so I hope you like the scenery. Comment nature below if you'd like me to do more of these. Phase 2 of my 4-phase system is your socials. On both Facebook and Instagram, let's start with your profile picture. Is it easily recognisable? What about your name? If it is your business name, can you also add in another word that talks about the products that you sell? i.e. Margie Sarah candles. This will make you searchable on the social media platforms. I don't have a candle business, that's just for reference. What does your bio say about you? You have 150 characters on Instagram bio, so make them all count. Make them all about the benefits of your business. What do you do to help someone? Also, make the most of the links that you're allowed. Send people to your Etsy or your webpage or wherever you want to sell your products from. Have you got your correct address and contact details? Once you've done a stock check on the basics, let's talk about posting and scheduling. What do you even post about? I want you to have a think. Is your Instagram linked to your Facebook page firstly? If not, check out this video that talks you through how to cross-post from Instagram to Facebook, saving you so much time. Now choose a schedule that works for you. Aim for 3 times a week and pre-make all of those posts. That way you can either schedule them into an app, or to make things even easier, just use the one that Facebook provides you. Then all your posting is done. Easy. But I also want you to put in your calendar 5 to 10 minutes a day to jump onto your Instagram account and just provide value for your community. Maybe it's when you sit down on the couch at night time. Maybe it's at lunchtime in your break. Ideally, it should be when your customers are online, but anything is better than nothing. On to phase 3 of my 4-phase simple marketing system. Look at your customer journey. It is said to make a sale, you need to be at the right time, at the right place, and have the right product. What does your customer do just prior to buying? What info can you give them that will make the purchasing process easier? For example, if you sell candles, could they do with information that tells them how to set up a room in a beautiful way that incorporates your latest range? Put all that info into a PDF and give that to your potential customer in exchange for an email address. This is also known as a lead magnet or a tripwire. This helps establish you as the expert in your field. And it also helps to collect potential customers' email addresses, where you can continue to send them some really useful information, and then when they're ready, they'll buy from you. Before I mention the really super last important phase, and that links everything together, I'll just quickly tell you how to fast track your results. Join my program, Profitable Home Business Blueprint, which is a 10-week live course with full support. You can get predictable sales and just stop the social media overwhelm. Click on the link in the description below. Now, there are only 10 spots, so please don't waste any time. Okay, let's move on to the last phase in my 4-phase simple marketing system. Write a sequence of compelling, interesting emails that allow you to connect with your audience and remind them that you exist. Remember, it takes many touch points before somebody will buy from you. But when they're ready, you'll be there. And don't forget also the power of testimonials. Ask your buyers for social proof. Then you have your whole ecosystem started, where you can start seeing traction of buying. Set this up now and you will see the benefits really soon. Subscribe now because in the coming weeks, I'll go through each phase in more detail. But right now, if you would like to increase your Reels views so you start seeing traction on Instagram, click here. You'll be able to turn your followers into buyers.